how to check your TikTok balance. First, open up the TikTok application on your phone to get started. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Go to the bottom right corner of this page and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then, go to Balance. Here, you can view your TikTok balance and other related services. Now, tap on View beside Estimated Balance. From here, you can view your total amount available on TikTok. You can also view your live rewards from here, as well as earn more rewards. Following these steps, you can easily check your TikTok balance. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.